Yeah. Welcome to my channel again. Today, I want to give you extraordinary strategy that I've been using for the past many months now. I've back tested it and it's working like magic. Even if you don't know how to trade, just make sure that you do this thing I'm going to show you. Please open your eyes very well and look at it very well. All you need to do is to set it up, okay? Now, what you need to do now is that you need to go to your daily candle. Okay, let me show you. Daily candle, daily. Go to daily. You see daily here? Bas. You see? Our daily, this red line, this one is going up. That means we're in an uptrend. It's pointing up. We're in an uptrend, right? And at the same time, all we need to do now is that we need to make sure we also need to take note of this blue line, blue line, blue line, blue line, blue line. See all these blue line, they are reactions. They are reactions, okay? They are reaction. I'm going to show you how you are going to set it up on your trading view, okay? This is what you need to see. Reaction around these things. These are what you need to see to take decision, okay? That's two. Yeah. Number three, the next thing you need to do is that you need to go to your 4 hours chart. No, sorry. Yeah, 4 hours chart. On your 4 hours chart, you need to see that this indicator is actually pointing up, okay? You see, it's showing you divergence. You see, not like this. It's either like this. You see, it's still divergence, but it's below this dotted line. You can see it's below it, not the one above here. That is up, but below it. You can see. You can see. When you have such, you are seeing that this is going up. The first time we may not actually go what? Go for it. But you have to make sure that your price is also far away from this your MA. Okay? Simple moving average. That's number two. Number three, then you must see your divergence. And then you must see this blue line. This blue line crossing this brown line. Okay? So we have seen it. So this is the reason why and at the same time, listen very well. Listen very well and follow up. And at the same time, see all this blue line, blue line, blue line. We are waiting for reaction around it. You see, we have rejection here. But you can see the distance between this one and this one very, very close. Right? Another thing you need to confirm is this. We have what we call institutional candle. Okay? See, this big candle is a sign of a big move in the markets. Okay? And at the same time, it broke structure. Okay? It broke this line. It broke structure. Bash. It broke this blue line, blue line. You see, it broke like 1, 2, 3, but the first two, it broke it, right? So that means you have to come and wait below it here and look at the reaction here and look at those blue line, the one that corresponded to it. What is the reaction? See, even if you plot your trend line, you see, number one, it broke your trend line, right? Number two, is reacting around those blue line, right? It's reacting around the blue line. It's reacting around the blue line like this, and it's giving you a engulfing candle. Okay, so this is and then this one is giving you divergence, and then your blue line also is going up. You see, that's crossed. Then this is a confirmed what? Entry point, confirmed entry point. Then you take profit is either when it hits here or when it gets to this point. First take profit is here, and then second take profit is here. This is the reason why I entered this trade, and I'm going to show you exactly. And at the same time, where you're going to enter is not here. Go to your 15 minutes candle, 15 minutes candle, 15 minutes. Where is it? 15 minutes candle. Yeah, on 15 minutes. on 15 minutes, you want to also look at this. You want to see your divergence. You can see the divergence is not happening here. You can see it's happening here. It's happening when this blue line now cross here. Now we entered around here, which was around here, here, here. And then we can see the broker too on 15 minutes. So that is why we got up that reaction. So I'm going to show you my results. You see, now we are above this on 15 minutes. We are above this MA, which is a very good sign. When you are above MA on 15 minutes, it shows a very huge sign of pump, which we are going to see on this 4 hours chart, where we're going to take our profits. Okay, 4 hours chart. You can see the bullish candle. Okay, you can see the bullish candle. So now we're going to take our trade there, our profit around 7 or around here, but I'm going to take it around 7. Okay, so now let me show you my profit. If you know you want to use this strategy, okay, you want to use this strategy, we can help you to configure. Just locate the link below this video or my WhatsApp number, then I can configure it for you. Okay, I can configure it for you. Then just apply. You can see liquidity happen here. You can see liquidity. A lot of things that we saw that make us to enter. You see liquidity. This kind of cause liquidity, and then we are engulfed. Once we are able to engulf this, my friend, there is no devil that will not make you to be profitable in this market. So this is how we need to trade. If you don't see something like this, please don't enter the trade. Don't enter. You don't have any business to waste your money. Okay, now let me show you my result. Don't forget to share, like this video if I have actually added value to you, and at the same time make sure that you get in touch with me so that you can be profitable like this, trading as a pro on the market. Okay, now let me show you. Yeah, you can see my result now. Here is my result. I'm on 15x, and I have already entered from 6.777, and we are now on 6.8 or 6.18, and this is my profit for now. But I'm not closing this trade now. I'm going to see nothing less than 100% on this trade. Then after 100%, when it hits 7, then I will leave the market. Yeah, thank you. Make sure you get in touch with me so that you can also have your system configured like this and start making money on the market. Thank you. Get in touch with me now. Bye. Yeah, I want to add this to the training. Okay, now let's check MDT. Okay, now MDT, the first thing we are told you, go to your 1 day chart. Got 1 day chart. Yeah, 1 day chart. It's either you see your 1 hour. I mean, it's either you see your sorry. It's either you see this going up like this or moving up like this. And the next thing you need to do is this. You need to mark your 1 day, the lowest low on your 1 day. Okay, let me delete these lines. I'm going to write them down. See, this is your 1 day. You can see your 1 day broke. See, then you have to wait. I'm telling you now, you have to wait. Learn how to wait. Then you wait here. Last dip here. Don't enter. Okay, it's just for us to know that we are now in an uptrend. We are broke structure. Then wait until it comes back here on your 1 day. Okay, take it note, write it down. Okay, now you are waiting. Then we have roll it up. That is the base, the support right there. Then look at the reaction here. As you can see the reaction, don't forget to always put your line. This blue small lines, they are the one that is helping us to take decision. Okay, now let's go back. Now we are here. Now we need to map this under this 1 hour. He said that you do it like this. Where is it? No, you do it like this. See, below it, below the SMA, okay, and then this big candle that's hit it here. I hit the base. Yeah, we are there now. Okay. Now, what we now need to go is that we need to go to our 4 hours chart. 4 hours chart. Yeah, we are now on our 4 hours chart. Let's zoom it up. Now, the same thing we did on daily, we want to do it on 1 hour. Let's bring out our horizontal line. Horizontal line. Okay, where are we going to put it? We're going to put it on the base. Okay, this one now. You see, we can see break of structure here. This candle broke the structure, then you put it here. You place your blue line. You place it here. Let me change it to blue. Okay, you place it here, deep, so that will be the lowest dip here. Okay, now we are not entering yet, or we might also enter because we can see our divergence here. See our divergence. Okay, but if you want to enter, the only condition you have is what? Is your bullish candle, engulfing candle. It's not enough to enter, and yet this market is still going down here. You see, it may go down. Okay, and your money is out, and you are out of the market. Now, we told you what makes us to take decision is all this blue line, blue line, blue line, blue line, blue line, blue line, blue line. Okay, now we are waiting for the blue line to react with what we are doing. Now, where are we going to see blue line? We saw blue line here, right? And at the same time, we saw break of structure here. Normally, we are supposed to wait below. Okay, then you have to pull down another horizontal line, which is here. This one broke out here, right? It broke out here. Then the next thing for us to do is for us to do what? Is for us to wait below the red line here, right? The blue line there. That's cool. Now, what are we supposed to do? Because we have already seen a blue line. We put it here, right? Now we can also enter this trade here because why? This is our blue line here, and then above this blue line we have another engulfing candle that engulf all this one broke structure. Then you can enter your trade here, and put your stop loss here, and then the market could have reacted, and then you keep on making money. Okay, you keep on making money. You see? Can you see? A lot of money made. If you don't want to enter there, then another way you can enter is for you to wait until market goes above this. You can see it broke above this. Then what did you see? So break. Then wait below here. Then you enter here, and then your stop loss is below here. Stop loss is no more here. It's now here. Then you make money. Or you can also look at the reaction here on this blue line. You can see the rejection above this MA, and then above this blue line as well. You can see the blue line here. You can see the rejection, rejected, then engulfing. Then why not enter? Then you keep making money. Yeah, guys, this strategy I've backtested it. I've tried it many times. It works for me. It's a brilliant strategy. If you actually want to take all my training, one-on-one training, or recorded training, is going to change the way you trade. Forget it. People have made things to be complicated, but I've simplified it for you. Then you can go out there to begin to make money. Don't forget, we are not just entering blindly. We are entering based on this. You see, divergence. We didn't enter here because it's not a divergence. Here we enter because why? It's a divergence. Here we enter because it's a divergence. Okay, and another one might form up there. So, and at the same time, I told you, you don't need to, you have to go down to your 1 hour chart. Sorry. Your 1 hour chart. Go to your 1 hour chart, because it is actually on your 1 hour chart that you are making the what? That you are making the decision. Okay? Yeah, MDT on 1 hour chart. You can see everything is actually above this SMA. Okay, MA is above it. Break of structure, you weighted down, then it reacted. This is the our blue line, a blue line, a blue line above it engulfs. Then we make money, and at the same time, it's a divergence. It's a divergence. It's a divergence. Okay. At the same time, here, this is another entry. If it forms a divergence here, then you can look for reaction up there on this blue line. On this blue line here, you can see it may come down here. Reacted, then here, divergence around here. If it forms like this, then you don't enter. Then you can then wait for another blue line around there. So this is how we make use of this strategy, and it has really made us a lot of profit. Yeah, thank you. Talk to you later, and let me configure this system for you right away. Thank you. Bye.